In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT Authentication Error 2026 Full Guide. If you're running into messages like access denied or constant sign-in loops, follow along and we'll get you back in quickly. We'll start with fast checks to rule out temporary glitches, then move into Android and iOS refreshes, make a few network adjustments, and finish by confirming whether the issue is on the server side. First, do a quick reset. Sign out of your ChatGPT account using the profile icon, then sign back in. If you originally used a different email provider, consider logging in with your Google account this time, as single sign-on can stabilize the session. Next, refresh your network path. Toggle from Wi-Fi to cellular data, or the other way around. This helps determine if your current IP address has been flagged by automated security systems. Also, if the app isn't loading, try opening chat.openai.com in a mobile or desktop browser. If the website works while the app doesn't, you've isolated it to an app-specific issue. On Android, if the error persists or the app refuses to load, clear the app's cache and, if needed, its data. Long press the ChatGPT app icon, tap the information button, go to storage, and tap Clear Cache. Test the app. If the problem remains, tap Clear Data. This signs you out and resets app preferences, but your saved conversations remain tied to your account and won't be deleted. Reopen the app and sign in again. Menu labels can vary slightly by device, so look for similarly named options if you don't see the exact wording. On iPhone or iPad, offload the app to refresh its core files while keeping your personal content. Open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage, find ChatGPT, and tap Offload App. When that completes, tap Reinstall App on the same screen. This forces a clean rebuild without removing your conversations. Now check your network and VPN settings. Disable any active VPN or proxy. Many shared VPN endpoints are blocked to prevent automated abuse. If your device or security suite has secure DNS or a web protect feature, turn it off temporarily to remove extra filtering. Also, make sure your date and time are set to update automatically. Mismatched timestamps can break authentication. As a final step, verify whether the issue is global. Visit status.openai.com to check for outages. You can also try ChatGPT in an incognito or private browsing window. If it works there, a browser extension or cookie is likely